Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today we're going to unbox the AirPod Pros, or I guess AirPods Pro. So yeah, it says AirPods on the top with the charging case, Apple logo on the sides, serial numbers on the bottom, you know, normal stuff. There's a little pull tab on the side. I guess this makes it easier to rip this all off. And let's lift this out. Two hands, I guess. And on the top, as usual, designed by Apple in California. Then we have a little quick start guide, safety and handling, warranty information, and regulatory stuff. But let's put this all back together and get to the AirPods. So here's the AirPods, but let's put these over to the side. And we'll pull this little thing here, and here are actually the ear tips, which is, there we go. Pretty interesting. Put these back. And here's the USB-C to Lightning cable, which is an interesting choice. So let's put this all back together and check out these AirPods. And just like normal AirPods, are all white and shiny. So let's lift that up. These light up. They're ready to be paired. Look at that. There's already lint in here. How did that happen? Either way, let's get an Apple device to pair these. Open this up. Just click connect. And it tells you about media controls. I guess that's new. Noise control. Okay, I guess it's gonna disappear. Whatever. Okay, these look very interesting. And the case looks the same as the normal AirPods, just really flat. It's interesting. But yeah, I don't know how I feel about these. Okay, these definitely fit good, and they look a lot nicer than the normal AirPods. They're like barely even noticeable. Well, let's put these back in or try to. Okay, it's weird. It's not as intuitive as normal AirPods, I guess. But let's put this back together, and I'll start reviewing them. But that's about it for today. Look forward to my review coming out soon. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section or on Twitter at MattofRDBR, and feel free to follow me on the social media listed above. Subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this, as well as repair and review videos. And hit that bell button so then YouTube actually reminds you when those videos do come out. Thanks for watching.